Welcome to Learn the Dish. I'm Steven, one of our producers here. In this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how you can chop an onion without crying. There's a lot of schools of thought on this. Some people say wear goggles. Some people say that you can plug your nose, you can keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth. None of those really seem to work for me, but I recently found out, and thanks to COVID, that if you wear a mask while cutting your onions, you're much less likely to get the stuff that's going to make you cry up in your nose. So, put on your mask, and then just go to town. Chop your onion however you like to. We did recently put out a video on how to quickly chop your onions in this style here, which you can watch by clicking on the card right up there. But basically you'll find the mask impedes a lot of things, right? The idea is it's stopping your air from getting out. It also does to some extent stop the air around you from getting into your nose. And the stuff that's going to make you cry with the onions is the fumes that are being released while you're cutting into it. Anyway, we only need some coarse onions for the recipe we're doing here, so we don't need to chop them anymore, but I'm completely tear-free. Unfortunately, I'm also tear-free in the other video, but if you do want to see how to quickly chop an onion, you can watch that now. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Learn the Dish.
My name is Miran.
My name is Ani.
My name is Sean.
The best way to get to know a people is through their food.
Today I'm going to show you how to make tabbouleh.
I'm going to show you how to make mantı.
One of our specialties here is Armenian coffee.
We're building a community to share the traditional dishes just like your grandma used to make.
Everybody would come and ask me for mantı.
Always super proud to serve here.
Come with us. Share your recipes too. And maybe learn the dish.
Enjoy.